y'all, welcome to the Style Chronicles. Thank you so much for joining me. I would like to share my FabFitFun box with you guys. This is the spring one. It is in support of Girl Rising, and it's got all these pretty little pictures on there of different women sleeping and working or putting lotion on. This one I really like with the glasses. So just really cute, the lady working out. Just a cute box, a really cute box. I love getting these. I like having them sent because they're just so much fun to have. So thank you so much for joining me. If you are a new subscriber, hello, my name is E. I make weekly videos about different things, mostly fashion related videos, outfit of the days, lookbooks, things like that, but also some beauty, some makeup tutorials, and I'm always on Instagram, Facebook lately, so you can catch me there. So go ahead and subscribe and stick around, hit the notifications bell, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate you and you coming to my channel time and time again. I appreciate it very, very much. Thank you. Let me go ahead and get started. The FabFitFun box for the spring is a really good one, I gotta tell you. I can never wait to film an unboxing, like a true unboxing. I have to open it before I just have to. I get so excited. So here's the first, the insert, of course, with all the information in it, and I'm just gonna open it to the first page. The first thing in here is a HelloFresh Cookup, $50 off, $25 off your first 2 boxes with free shipping, so a code for $50 off of HelloFresh, which I have yet to try. I should, but I just have yet to try. The KNC Beauty All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Mask. There's a pack of 5. It plumps and hydrates your lips with collagen, rose flower oil, cherry extract, vitamin E, and leaves you with perfect pout. So use this before you put your lipstick on. And a pack of these is $24.99, which I think is a good little value. So there's 5 of them in there and a cute little carrying case. This actually might find a home with my daughter for some personal stuff. Okay, next up are these really pretty earrings. Yes, honey, they're by the brand called Ettika, Los Angeles, California. Ettika Daydreamer Tassel earrings. Hello, statement earrings of our dreams. These cascading tassel beauties on and watch them dazzle all season long. Perfect with a t-shirt and washed out jeans. These retail for $58, and we got to choose this month whether we wanted the black pair or the pink pair. I chose the pink pair. I just feel like they are perfect for spring. And like they'll be good peeking out of my hair for spring. So really, really pretty colors. I really do like that. There you have the earrings. Next up is this really cute Rachel Pally reversible clutch in Bloom, Zahara, or Paradise. Bloom was like an orange. Zahara was like, no, Bloom was like a blue with white. Zahara was like an orange color with yellow. And then this one is Paradise, which is a really pretty aqua with a kind of coral shade that I thought would go really well into the summer. You got to pick from either of the 3. And it's nice, it's reversible, so you can carry it like this or with the pattern completely on display like that. And it is nice and roomy. You can really stick a lot in here. It's got a little tassel. And like I said, very roomy. There you have the interior. It does have a little pocket down there. So just a very nice clutch, perfect for spring and summer. And that retails for $60. They're reversible. Yep, 2 clutches in one. So really, really neat. Next is this little sample of the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish in Macadamia and Rice Milk, which looks really, really nice. Exfoliation is the key to youthful skin when it comes to your face, when it comes to the skin on your body, everywhere, especially your legs and your feet because it's sandal season. So yes, exfoliation is key to my beauty routine for sure. It's actually key to my children as well because they have skin conditions that we deal with on the regular, and that just really helps the turnover process for their skin cells. So next up is a Dermelect Cosmecueticals Anti-Aging Nail Treatments, which is a concealing ridge filler with keratin peptide and pentavin moisture magnet in this really pretty kind of light pink shade. So that looks promising. It's from Ulta. It's got a coupon in here for Ulta Beauty. Really, really neat. Next is the Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion, an ultra light oil-free moisturizer that helps blemish-prone skin stay smooth and healthy. This is a $40 value. And massage evenly over face and neck. Follow with sunscreen during the day. It's just a moisturizer, which I really like because I do have a separate sunscreen that I wear on the daily. So I like for my moisturizer and my sunscreen to be completely different. Some days I feel like I don't need moisturizer because I am so oily. I tend to be very oily. And then some days I really do need moisturizer and I don't want it to be a part of my sunscreen. So I like the fact that this is separate because I purchased them separately anyway. So very, very nice. The Anderson Lilley Sunset Collection Candle in Manhattan Beach Fresh Linen or Super Bloom. I got the Fresh Linen number 15. It's mandarin orange, kaffir lime, clover, white tea, cyclamen, muguet, lavender, sandalwood, patchouli, tonka bean, and foin coupe, which smells so good. And it's a really pretty rose gold. It just smells so clean. Rose gold container that I really like. I love rose gold. I like having different rose gold touches to add to things in my house, especially against this wall because it's painted black. I just feel like everything pops so much. I'm gonna put it right there. Everything pops so much against that black wall. I love it. And that is a $45 value. After you finish using the candle, wash out the vessel and use it to plant your springtime succulents and herbs. I can't plant anything. Nothing grows. I forget to water, and that's key to the growth of plants and herbs. And I just can't be bothered to actually water the plants that I plant. Free People Understated Leather Starry-Eyed Travel Mask. A vegan leather travel mask, $40. Store the cooling pouch in the fridge to depuff weary eyes. Really, really neat. And it came in aqua pink or kind of a cream color, and this is the like pinkish kind of shade. Ooh, that is nice. It's kind of heavy, and it is adjustable back here, but look how pretty that is. It's leather, it's vegan leather, with silver gold stars, and then this pretty pink color. So really, really nice. And the Ish Lip Statement Palette from ISH or Ish. There's some nudes and pops of color in here. $42. Read through the magazine to find out all about the amazing looks you can create. 20% off of an order, and there's a code. So it's got this plastic all the way around it, which is a little annoying, but really, really nice. So there you have that. And the palette on the inside looks like this. It's got some really nice colors. This is actually really, really neat. The only thing that I have similar to a lip palette like this would be my Anastasia Beverly Hills one, and that palette is specifically for mixing color. Lastly is this Physique 57 Massage Roller. It does wonders for sore, achy muscles, improves flexibility, and breaks up scar tissue. Keeps tender muscles at bay. 5 minutes with this tool will have your body feeling all the feels. And it's $20. It's really, really neat. It is actually the first body roller that I would say is effective. Only because I have foam rollers and I've used them, and really I don't feel like it breaks up some of the soreness, but I really don't feel like it massages or does anything like that. And this actually really does work. We've been using this on my husband's back because he's been having back problems. And it just, you know, you go up and down. You can do your shins. I always have shin pain because of my running. So I constantly am rubbing my shin area, and this just kind of helps the pain. You can use it on your thighs, and you can do it on yourself, which is really nice. You know, you have somebody do it to your back, but you can actually roll your own legs, excuse me, roll your own legs. So really nice. And this retails at $20. Throw it in your carry-on bag when traveling to help relieve sore muscles on the go. And there were 3 shades this month. There was a purple, an orange, an aqua, and a gray. And I'm excited. I really didn't know what color I was getting, but I actually like the gray very, very much. And these just, yeah. And they massage because they've got these little fingers on them. So it's just really, really neat. And you literally can do anything, like anything. Your neck, easily. So I love it. I really do like that. So there you have it. That is my box this month, and the total value is between $347 and $354.99, depending on what you, I guess, picked from the select, if you do the select. So love that. It's our 5th anniversary. And there go over some of the milestones. So love, love, love this spring box. I definitely feel like this is one of the best boxes. Of course, I say that every season. Every single box to me is so much fun and so much better than the last, and they just keep improving on them. And by improving, it's not like they were bad. It's just the next one is so much cooler. Like seriously, I love, love, love their boxes. So if you are interested in a FabFitFun box, I will put my code down below so that you can get it with a little bit of a discount. I can also send you a code if you leave your email, and I'll leave that information down below. So thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.
No, there ain't no